Hi folks, this is Jasmine Noronha from Royal Repeat Signature. This weekend I've been talking to a lot of people, yes, to wish for Father's Day and just following up with a lot of my contacts. And what I was coming across is a lot of them who are not active in the market, real estate market, they don't have a clue what is happening around them. So they were thinking because of lockdown, even the real estate market is still uh, very, everything is closed and nothing is happening. But when I shared how the market is hot and there are multiple offers happening in the market and the interest rates are low, and there are a lot of buyers looking for homes, and the problem that we are having is, yes, the number of sales might be low, but also the MLS listings that are hitting for sale are low as well. So there is a very little gap between the demand and supply. And now I've been getting this report that I'm going to shortly share with you guys every week. And today when I got it, I said, this is what I need to share it with you guys, because there will be a lot of you having the similar thoughts. So without delaying, let's just take a look at the report. Now, this report actually we get the market trend provided by Broker Bay, and this is for the June 22nd week. Okay, so I just got it like today. So what it does is it takes the listings that are being shown. Let me just push me up here. Okay, let me take. So this basically a report what I'm having over here. Okay, is all the showings and offers that have happened in last 6 months. So this is trending from December 25th of 2019 to uh, last week, June 20, I would say 21st. Okay. So see the trend. Now this is the showing appointments. Let me take this off. So these are the appointments. So if you see the trend, what is going up, okay. So this was until pre-COVID. Okay. So this was at the peak. And the moment were in lockdown, that is what it started happening, and we were hitting quite low with just from 11,792 we came down to 900 appointments booked on the whole system of Broker Bay. Now Broker Bay is something which 90%, I think so, of the real estate companies are with them. There are few which are on another platform, but the majority is over here. Okay. Now come to this, which is in June. We are almost close to what was happening before COVID. Okay, so the trend are over here, and this is something which is downward trend, and maybe it was because of the Father's Day weekend. Now let's see the offers. Okay, this is the offers trending. So this is remained almost the same, right? But then we hit very low during the initial months of COVID, and now again it is hitting higher. So if you see here, 605, this, and over here. So this is the 6 months trailing trend from December 2019 to 21st of June. Now let's take a market trend for the 30 days. So GTA market trend last 30 days. So it's from, I would say, May 20th to June, June 21st. So in 1 month, let me put off this. Okay. So the appointments that started mid early third week of May, it was around 4,945, and as we are approaching June, so the trend started going upward. So 11,000 appointments, 11,000 appointments, and this is again the trend what I was telling you was for the Father's Day weekend, the weekend was lovely. Maybe that is what it is. But then, yes, we will be watching this for next a week or so, and we will know if this is what is taking place. Now, offers again. So the offers started from 189, right? And then the trend is like quite upward. Here the 605 offers, here 639 offers, and again the weekend was a bit lower. Now the listings coming to MLS. Now this is what the listings, like the new listings, what to hit the MLS, they have been also going up, but it's like come down over here. So there were only 65 listings. So the gap between the sale and the new listings are very little, and that's where the pressure is. That's why we are seeing a lot of multiple offers. Now, here, these are the exclusive listing. Now, we at Royal Lipid Signature, we have an access to exclusive listings. Now, these are the listings only we realtors have access to. And if you want to avail, you have to contact one of us. Now, these listings don't even hit the MLS. And there are sellers who don't want to expose themselves. They only want serious buyers to come to them. And if you want to avail this uh, opportunities, then you need to have a realtor by your side. You yourself won't be able to get access to this. Now, this week compared to the last week, again it went up. Okay, the exclusive listings. Now let's come to sold. Now, the sold listing in May, starting like 30 days ago, it was only 36 listing. Then it just started going upward trend, 203, 235, and let me hit the highest peak, 335, and here 320. So you see, it is just the trend is upward. Now let's go. Now this week, month over month. So this is comparing the third week of May to third week of June. So over here, if you see this month showings, these are the showings. So it was May, the showings were quite low. They were like, hovering max highest, it has gone up to is 6,200. But the highest which we hit like this week was around 11,000 showing on Friday. And now Saturday, Sunday, yes, the showings have dropped. Okay. Now, this is what I would want you to see. So the showings compared to last week was 84%, it went higher. Offer registered on the properties were 117% higher compared to the May third week. Then new MLS listing were 54% higher compared to the last third week of May. Exclusive listing also went up by 58%. And here comes the thing where sold sale, this thing were around 103% reported on MLS. So that's 154 listing come into the market, but 103%, 54% increase in MLS listing, but again 103% increase on the sale as well. Now, the last week of the second week of June and the last week, okay, week over week. Now, this is something. So if you see here, as we say, 11,124 last week. Now, this is something which, very rarely you get to see. It has crossed, okay? But now over here, the showings, like compared to last week, this week it has gone down. Now we don't know, maybe because of the Father's Day weekend, people wanted to be with their family, they were not interested in going looking out for houses. We don't know, or maybe it is some kind of trend. We don't know that. We will have to watch for the next week's report, which I will be definitely sharing with you guys. And again, over here showing, from last week to this week, it was just, we were told it was just 0.3% increase. Offer registered also were just 4.7% higher compared to last week. Interestingly, MLS listings have dropped by 4.5%, and exclusive listing has gone up by 5.4%. Now, maybe because people want to hold off until the long weekend and then come into the market then. So we'll have to watch after Canada Day. And the sold listings were up by 9.3%. So that's where we are. So I hope this information, what I'm sharing, is benefiting you guys to just understand what is happening in the real estate world. If you have any questions, or you have any suggestions that what else you would like to see on this report, do like send me a message or comment. And yes, enjoy the week. God bless you all. Bye for now.